In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate new shapes into your draw.io diagrams within Confluence or Jira. Whether you're looking to expand an existing flowchart or refine your diagrams for better clarity, these steps will guide you in adding and connecting new shapes efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, let's open your draw.io diagram. Whether you're using Confluence or Jira, you'll want to locate your diagram and open it up in edit mode. Once your diagram is open, look over to the left panel of the interface. Here, you'll find the Shapes library, which is your gateway to a variety of shape categories. You can browse through these categories if you're in search of specific shapes, or for a quicker approach, simply use the search box to locate the exact shape you need. This feature makes it straightforward to find the perfect visual element to enhance your diagram. Now, here's the fun part. Dragging and dropping your chosen shape. Once you've found the shape you want, click on it, and without releasing the mouse button, drag it from the left panel over to your canvas. Place it near where you'd like it in your diagram, positioning it thoughtfully within or near your existing flowchart structure. Next, we need to connect this new shape to your existing diagram. Hover your cursor over the edge of the newly placed shape until you see connection arrows pop up. This little feature is incredibly useful for ensuring that each element of your diagram is linked correctly. Once the arrows are visible, click on one and drag it to an edge of another shape you want to connect to, or vice versa. This way, the flow and logic of your diagram remain coherent and intuitive. With your shape connected, it may be necessary to adjust its position to make sure everything looks neat and clear. Click and drag the shape to reposition it, being mindful of the overall layout. Remember, a well-organized diagram not only looks better but also communicates your message more effectively to viewers. After positioning, you might want to add some labels or adjust existing text for the new shape. Simply double-click on the shape to enter text editing mode. Here, you can type a new label or modify existing text to suit your needs. Consider using clear and concise language to prevent clutter and ensure that anyone viewing your diagram can understand it at a glance. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes so that your hard work is preserved. You can either click the Save button or take advantage of the autosave feature in Confluence or Jira. Once saved, your updated diagram is ready to be shared or further modified as needed. With these steps, adding and connecting new shapes to your draw.io diagrams becomes a straightforward process, enhancing both the functionality and appearance of your project visuals.